Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will make a sentence with these words. Close. Please close the window. Pretty. This flower is pretty. House. They live in a big house. Rabbit. Rabbits like to eat carrots. Open. Open the door. Please clean your room today. Favorite. My favorite fruit is mango. Tree. Trees provide oxygen for us to breathe. Month. December is the last month. Proud. He was proud to represent his country. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.